Hi and welcome to de.iterate. My name's Andrew Lawrence and I'm going to be showing you around today. In today's video, we're going to cover off your supplier register and how to edit and update your suppliers. On the left-hand side of your navigation menu, if you click on registers, you'll see supplier register, data register, and data privacy requests all come up. If you click on supplier register, you'll see a list of your suppliers here. To edit any of your suppliers, simply click on the little edit icon on the right-hand side and you come into that supplier. Let's say, for example, you found out a supplier of yours was storing data in a new storage location. You can select the data storage location from the list and then hit save to save that. You'll see it's reflected here straight away. And it's also reflected on your dashboard when you come back to see a new storage location has been added. That's it. It's super easy. It's very straightforward. If you have any questions on any other parts of de.iterate, please head over to our help section where we have individual videos on all of our features.